Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's a nice and easy one. We'll be changing some boot struts. As you can tell, these are completely gone. So, we'll start off by propping it up with something so you don't get a bang on the head. With these struts, you get a little metal clamp that sits round and a space so you can slide a flathead under. You got to pull that clamp forward and that'll allow you to pull the strut off. Going to repeat the same process for this one down here. Now for the new set, I think these were the cheapest I could find, to be honest. Amazon, they're about £13–14. We're going to do the exact same with these two. Well, what I will advise is to move it up onto the little ridge instead of trying to pop it off or keeping your screwdriver under. So how you do that is lift it up and slide it forward. That way it stays on the strut and you don't have to fiddle about when you've got it on there. And there we go, one fully working boot again. It's been a while. Nice easy video for you there guys. If it's helped you out, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.